Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the texturing of this particular asset over here. So let's continue it. So now what I'll be doing over here is like, very first of all, we open this on 4K. Let's move again back to 1K over here. So we'll shuffle this to 1024 again. Alright, now so now what I can do over here is like, so once it is done, we have also have a reference over here. We can use this reference if needed. So let's select this again. We have the flaps option over here. Let's select the flaps texture set over here. So I can just go over here, and if you want to create your own metal shader as well, you can go with that. That's not a problem. So I'll just go into this and I can just say steel rust over here for now. So I have assigned this steel rust where, and again let's take a black mask on top of it. So if needed, I can just put rust fine on top of it. That would look better. And let's give again a black mask. So let's add a generator again and this metal edge where if needed we can assign this. Okay, so if it doesn't go with it, we can definitely change it. That's not a problem. So I'll just delete this again, and I'll go into this metal over here, and we do have this some other stuff. Let's assign this. Yeah, this looks better over here. So we have taken a mat over here, and let's again take new metal, my new metal. So I have created metal over here on top of it. So let's take a black mask, add a generator and add this wear level. You can slightly increase it if needed. We can place it in this way. Now after that, for the handle as well, we can go with this rusty dark. So you can go with this rusty dark if needed. We can assign this. So all right, yeah, this looks much better now. So the rusty dark I have assigned it, and if needed for the rusty dark, you can even assign this rusty dark over here as well. That would give you a good look. Okay, no, I'll just delete this. So this is okay. So assign this rusty dark over here. Now let's go down. So that would be a better option again. We do have the grunge metal. We can assign a grunge metal as we have assigned it, or we can go with the same as rusty dark for all this wheels over here. Okay, so before that, on top of it, I can just assign a steel dark. So let's assign a steel dark on top of it. So similarly I can use again a black mask, a generator, and metal edge over here, wear level. We can go with this wear level if needed. Okay, this looks better. So I'll just save the file once. Now let's take iron old material. So first let's save this. It's going to take time. So once you save it, it takes time. Alright, so let's go. I do have this iron old material, so instead of this I'll go into this. If you want, I can go with something basic like we do have this iron chain. If you need, you can go with metal railing material over here. So let's assign a metal railing, so it's very shiny. So okay, this looks flat, roughness, the height map. Okay, we have to give the height map over here, and if you want I can just assign a black mask, go into this, and if you want you can go into this and let's assign something edges strong, edges blur. You can have this edges dusty as well, so I can assign it in this way, but go into this. You can invert the mask if needed, that's of no use. You have the level option. I can just go with the levels as well. Again go here, let's again go down. Steel gun on top of it. Add a black mask. Again a generator, metal edge, fiber. Okay, so I think this is okay. We can use this. This looks much better. Now again go over here. We have some switches. For the switches part, again I'll just shuffle. This will give a very basic material for the switches, so we do have this. So let's take the Lambert 7 and I'll just give a steel paint material for this. We'll just assign a steel paint material. Yeah, looks better. And into the metal, so steel rust, I'll just assign on top of this. That looks better now. So this is right now we are seeing in 1K. So if you want to increase it, you can first let me save this file, then we can slightly increase the texture size to make it look much enhanced over here. still saving the project. So I'll preview it, so it's going to take time. So first let's complete that. The other things are left out, which will just assign it again. Alright. Similarly, again I'll go into the metal. I'll just take the steel dark aged, I'll just assign on top of it. So we can just assign that. So go into this. Okay. So again go over here. You can just assign a basic metal as well. That's totally okay. So I'll assign the same steel gun metal over here instead of that. And similarly, the same material over here as well. Looks okay, much better. So for this stand, for the support over here, what I can do is we can go over here and take a rusty material on top of this. Alright, yeah, looks better. So for the wheels over here, go into the metal edge where we can give some randomness. Okay, now this looks better. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. As you can see over here, we have textured this. Again, I'll go into this. I have the environment opacity. You can even change this stuff. Exposure level, if you want to increase it slightly, you can increase it. I can reduce the blur level as well. Alright. So thanks for watching this tutorial.